For methi chicken, add oil to the vessel. Add lavang, elaichi and dalchini. Add slit green chili. Add chopped onion. Give this a mix. Add little salt. Once the onion turns slightly golden brown, add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Add little turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and chicken masala powder. Mix this well. Add chicken. Here I have taken 1 kg chicken. Add some water. Add coriander. Let this cook for approximately 15 minutes. Now add methi, a bunch. Give this a mix. Add salt as per taste. Let this cook on a very low flame for 5 minutes. So this is done, and now we can switch off the flame and serve. So here the methi chicken is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha Recipes. Thank you.